Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts, and welcome to Kendra's Card Challenge number 13, March Super Sponsor Hop. And so today all of the design team members will be featuring super sponsors products in their videos. And so today I'm going to be using products from Scrappiness. If you're unfamiliar with Kendra's Card Challenge is a challenge that is free to download. And there's cut sheets and sketches that show you how to create 15 cards using 6x6 sheets of paper. Say that 10 times fast. So you have your cutting guides here for the 6 sheets of paper, and then you have your card sketches. So today, once again, I'm not going to be creating the 15 cards. I'm going to just be doing one of the sketches using our super sponsor, Scrappiness. So I'm going to be doing this sketch again, and it's sketch number 8. So I've gone ahead and cut out the pieces for this. So now we just need to stamp our image for the build a scene. So I don't know if you can see this. Let me hold it up. So you do have a scene that you can build here in the middle. So Scrappiness has the perfect new stamp for that for the Easter season. So I'm going to use that today. So we're just going to take the piece of white cardstock that I cut, and that is the measurements are in the center. This is for the build the scene, and this is what's in the center of the card. I got a little glue there. And so I'm just going to place it in my stamping platform, and then I'm going to stamp using the Happy Easter stamp. I think this is a very cute stamp. It says Happy Easter, and then you've got the little bunny ears and the bunny feet. Now this is brand new to me. I've not used this stamp yet, but I thought today would be the perfect time to use it. And I'm also going to be using some papers by Scrappiness, and I will be using the paper pack. It's a 6x6 paper pack called Crafty Quokkas, but the colors in this paper pack are perfect for Easter and spring, so I'm going to be using those for my card today. So let's go ahead and get the stamp off of our plastic, and I'm just going to lay it on my little card piece here, and I want to line it up, just kind of centering it in on the card, and then I'm just going to pick it up here. And any noise you hear in the background is my Schnauzer and my Basset Hound. They are playing, and they're being fairly quiet, so I'm letting them stay in here while I'm filming, but there is a little noise in the background, so hopefully that doesn't bother you. So I'm just going to stamp this. I feel like I'm going to need to move this magnet here. Even though it's holding everything in place, I'm going to have to move it because it was in the way of my stamp. So let me add more ink and do that again because that was in the way. Plus, like I said, this stamp is new, so I haven't even stamped it once, so it stamped really good for the first time. But anytime you get new stamps, it does take a little bit to get them going. You can condition them before you start stamping, but I just go ahead and start stamping with them. But there are ways to condition them before you start stamping, so you don't have to stamp repeatedly the first time, but that's no big deal for me. There we go. I like that. I'm going to put my scrap paper back in here to catch the ink off of the stamp. So we have our Happy Easter. So I think I do want to color that in really quickly. So I'm just going to use my colored pencils and my Gamsol because here lately that is my favorite way to color. So that was an easy little stamp to color in. So I've gone ahead and prepared all of my other pieces. So I'm using an A2 size white card base, and I've just created this myself by cutting a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper in half and then folding that piece in half again. So that's why I'm just pressing along the fold line there just to get a better crease in it. And so, so then I have gone ahead and cut some of the Crafty Quokka paper from Scrappiness. I'm using the stripes, the little pink polka dots, and then the turquoise polka dots today. So it's a very simple card to put together. Let's get our glue, double-sided glue here, or double-sided tape, I guess we should say. I'm getting tongue-tied today. And once again, excuse the dogs in the background. They are playing and making a little bit of noise, but not as bad as some days, so I can't complain today. They're not barking. Did I get that straight? These stripes are really making it hard for me to tell if I have it straight or not. Let me see if I can pull that off real quick. I don't think I did. Well, it's not coming off, so let's just go with it. Let's just accept it and go with it. I think it'll be fine. Okay, so then we just layer this up. It will go here, and I'm just going to lay out my pieces to make sure that I kind of have an idea of how much I should have going around each edge. So maybe everything will be pretty centered up on here. Let's see. We don't have to be perfect, just want to be close. Okay, so I think I have an idea. So let's go ahead and glue this down. Very simple little card to put together. This would be a great card to, oops, I twisted my mat up. This would be a great card to mass make, I believe. Let's see here, make sure I get this on here. That right. Okay. There we go. Like I said, the stripes are making it kind of hard to figure out if everything's straight or not. Okay. We just layer these pieces on and we have our card made. I think this would be a great one for mass making. If you create Easter cards, this would be perfect to make a bunch of these for everybody. And I am curious, let me know in the comments below, do you send out Easter cards, or do you send out a bunch, or do you send out just to your children or to family? Who all do you send Easter cards to? There we go. So that's a cute little card, and that was very simple. We could add some of these dots from Scrappiness. I think I will. These are, I forget what you call these, but I can list everything below so that you'll know what products I'm using. So we're just going to use the little pink ones. So here is our completed card, and I think this turned out really cute. I did make a few mistakes, as you can tell, but it's okay. I have this up a little bit higher, but that's okay like that. I think it looks fine. So every card does not have to be perfect, and be sure to hop along to all of the other videos today from our other design team members. They will be using products from our super sponsors. And be sure to enter the giveaway to Kendra's Card Challenge. The winner will be announced on Kendra's Card Challenge, and I will try to remember to put the date here on the screen because I cannot remember when the giveaway ends. So be sure to read through the description below about the giveaway, and there's a playlist for the Hop that you can click on and watch all the videos in the Hop. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.